Good morning. Just thought I'd do a quick little update for April 16th on the last couple of days. Old Crow showed up yesterday and brought the brand new water pump, put it in, and it's great. Everything's working fine now. You saw, if you've seen the last video about the outlets, then that problem has been rectified. So the leaking sink that we took care of a few days ago, well, that's cropped up again, and it is leaking at the bottom of the pipe that I replaced. So I went out to my toolbox and got my Black RTV. Now, most of you probably don't even know what this is, and if you don't, just think WD-40 and duct tape. You know, those things fix leaks and squeaks and belly aches. I mean, they do everything, right? This is the same way. It needs to be in that group. To some of us, it is in that group. This thing, it'll fix broken hearts and smelly farts. It'll go all the way. This thing is fantastic. They make several different colors of this, and each color has its own purpose. Blue, or not blue, but red is used for like making a valve cover gasket for your car or something along those lines. Clear, we used to use that in the military for putting like an insulating material over something electrical so nobody got shocked on it. And the advantage was it would also just pull right back off. This is not pulling right back off, trust me. You put this on with your fingers. Try to use gloves. It's just going to stick to the gloves. You're going to be really flustered. Just use your fingers. Plus, that way you can feel what you're actually doing with it. And to clean them, I use right nowadays I use hot water and one of those magic erasers. And if not, it'll wear off what doesn't come off. So it'll be fine. You find this at most auto parts stores, but make sure it's black. And keep that in your toolbox. It will do you a lot of good, trust me. So that's pretty much it as far as the rig. We're right now today just pulling in the last few items from the house into the rig, and got to go do the utility thing, and take the cable box back, and all those types of things prior to moving. So, and then then turn the property over to the rental agency, and do that by the end of the week, I guess. And we're hoping to be on the road by Saturday. Friday is kind of a goal, but I'll accept Saturday. So anyway, that's all that's going on right now. So we'll just keep in touch, and we'll see all of you later. Bye.